Hi and welcome to CampaignTrackly. Today I'll show you how you can grab a link from anywhere on a web page using our extension. Just simply scroll down to the link you would like to start tagging, right-click it to open the tagging menu, and once you click it, you will see immediately that we give you the option to type the name of your campaign or select from an existing one, of course. And once you're ready, you will see that already the link has been grabbed for you. So all that needs to be done is just for you to start adding your tags. Let's quickly do a search and identify the right tag. Let me click on it right now and then continue with the content tag. And if you have any custom tags, now is the time to add them. Just keep in mind that any required tags will not allow you to progress unless you go back and edit them. Once all your required tags are in place, you are ready to validate and save your campaign. Let's do a quick health check. We need to check if our web page actually works and if the link is okay. Then let's check if the page is being tracked by Google Analytics, which it is. Now we can progress and save our campaign. Once it's ready, we can copy the link and paste it into our Facebook environment or a test environment. And here you can see all of your tags are intact and in place. And this concludes our tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Please like our video or email us with any questions. My name is Melina. I'm with CampaignTrackly, and have a wonderful day.